What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the first episode, the first official episode here from Japan. And how better to start this first episode with all these beautiful koi here at Issa Koi Farm. Oh, ohayo gozaimasu. Today, main harvest.
Yes.
Already in? Oh, the fish are in already. Let's go. So guys, I had a crazy week in the south for making a new video, buying koi, so it's pretty cool. So this is the first official episode, the first official vlog type of video of buying koi, seeing koi, whatever this trip is gonna bring us. We see Mitsunori Issa. Let's see what they have. Beautiful, look at that, guys. The body is insane. So taking pictures and videos is one of the most important things breeders do after they harvest the koi. And this is a great example of Issa Showa. I just said to some of the people here that Issa has so good koi the last few years, and look how beautiful this fish is. It's not finished yet because the sumi has to come up more. It's more like an X you see on this side, which is pretty awesome when the sumi develops more and more. But the body on this fish is incredible. Look at that. This is just pure joy. And look at the difference compared to last year. Last year was packed with people, and now there are only 10 people, which is so much better to enjoy the fish and also give some breath to the breeder. So pretty good, pretty cool, actually. So excited to be back. So we just measured this beautiful kohaku, 91 cm. I am just curious what bloodline he used for this one. But look at the skin quality, look at the Kiwa, guys, look at the 3D escalation. She's a little bit stressed at the moment, but she looks pretty good. Mitsunori-san, which bloodline is this kohaku? Huh? Which bloodline? Oyagoi. Mihara. Wow, look at that. Gorgeous. Wow. Another beautiful kohaku. Look at that. Look at the body. Oh. Nice Tansho kohakus, nice Tansho show on there. A lot of new koi I've not seen in this pond this year, so it's very, very, very cool to see this. Another beautiful show, but more like a traditional pattern. Time to measure her. I'm very excited because they got some new lights here at the farm, and it gives such a good look at the fish and the skin.
94.
Alright, nice Tansho Showa coming in, and this is a variety he started breeding more and more a couple of years ago, and I will guess she is Yonzai, 4 years old. Yeah, so this is pretty cool because he is breeding more and more Tansho Showa, and he's doing a pretty good job in it. It's gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful.
The quality.
Also, Yonzai.
Issa.
Wow, it's a guy.
その次はその知ってるんですよ。
What a beautiful show out this is. Look at that. So every single fish is so beautiful. And Mitsunori son is very happy with it. Wow, look at that beautiful kohaku. Look at that body. And the skin is absolutely amazing. It has a little black spot over here, but that will be removed. What a beautiful fish. Wow. Strong. Sumo. 89 cm. Very strong shot. Alright, next one is coming out. What do you think, Max?
Good body, nice body, nice fukuri. These fishes becoming different. The kohaku, all with fukuri.
Yeah, 100% true. Next one coming in. I hope the footage is not too shaky. Oh, they're putting it in straight away to the bigger pond. Oh, love it. A little smaller than the rest of the body. Again, incredible. Oh wow. This is a very interesting koi because the sumi is not developed fully at this time on the head, so this fish needs some more time, but it's really awesome.
Oh,
Look at that. That's so cool.
And to start, in the first video, it was like this first vlog type of video on the first trip. I hope I don't get spoiled with only big and huge fish. No guys, I'm gonna take you around all day. It's pretty calm. We have some people walking around, looking at other fish here. I'm a little late this year, it's November. I did it on purpose because I had some other appointments and some other stuff to do here in Japan. And also, I don't want to be ending up with hundreds and hundreds of people at one place. So I'm happy that I'm later in the season.
Issa is building new koi houses. The oldest one was over here. They demolished it. They're ready to build a new one. I'm very excited when that one is finished. And he has still a lot of space to expand. Oh yeah, so this is the problem when you are in November. Your lens get fucked up. Oh, so this might be one of the contenders to the Nogyosai koi show this weekend here in Japan. He put it separate with another fish. Look at that show. Unbelievably beautiful. Trying to see some fish closer in the bowl. There she comes. And she's in. Beautiful.
Nice tip, 1 cent gold. Fuji 1 cent gold. Unbelievable, guys. Look at this beautiful Issa showa.
後ろのちょっと鱗腐ってるって言った紅白
And it's
あ
very
れ以外
pretty
は
now.
みんな
People
よ
really want to see the
あれだったらさ
fish
そっち止めて
inside.
さそっから
A very great look. Thank you.
届かない。
It's armory.
So that was a very good pick, right?
Very good pick.
Yeah.
Very good pick.
Beautiful one.
I love the body. I just love those wide bodies.
Yeah, me too. Great. Well done, Herbert.
So after all the craziness at Issa this morning, I had a short lunch. I picked up Taka from Oasa, Japan. Hey, and we have some appointments in the next couple of days. I just dropped by Shintaro Koi Farm, their new koi house, and this is the first time I see it finished like this. Was also seen their Nisai, and they look pretty big this year.
Look at that. These are their... So these are all their Nisai. I think this is also Nisai. Look at those beautiful showas. Kosuke. Also Nisai.
No, some mix sunset.
Some Sansai, some Nisai.
Yeah.
Wow. Very nice. Look at the bodies on like Haku. So we have mostly Sanka over here. It's magnificent to see these new ponds. Oh wow, I like this show. Beautiful. So they're finished. They already have finished their harvest. They still have their parent koi in the mock ponds at this moment, and these are their Nisai as well. And you can see that Shintaro is very, very good in breeding Sanka. It's always so nice to go sit here, just watch and try to find the one you like, and which potentially has the best bodies, the best skin quality, the best sumi placement. And with sumi I mean the black. You want to have it on the white parts mostly. The tsubo sumi, that's how they call it here. We got more over there. Kosuke, all female.
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 Male.
Male. And let's check if we can see the difference. Here we go. Oh, I can see the difference. They're a little bit less fatter than the female ones. That's why most of the time everyone prefers the female koi instead of the male koi. But the colors on male koi are so much stronger. So I have seen some couple of very, very good male koi. So I would advise people also like go buy some male ponds in your male koi for your pond. Okay, so we stopped by at Marita Koi Farm, and yesterday we had a nice dinner with the whole family. And today they're bringing in some nice fish. I think Nisai or Sansai. Let's go check it out inside and see. Sacho-san!
イボさん
Hi!
おい
おい
元気ね
おい、元気ですか？元気？
イボさんわかるイボさん
Good!
Very good
Busy guys, a lot of people today visiting the Marita Koi Farm, selecting fish. So, good to see always. See some good faces. Saka immediately making friends with Kiutsuri. Kiutsuri, look at that. Oh, Sansai, Nisai.
3歳
Sansai, 3 years old. Fresh into the pond. Expensive one. Another Kiutsuri. Oh, pretty good one actually. I love it. He has a lot of Kyotsuri varieties. Very nice. Beautiful. Okay, Taka, let's go to the big pond.
Okay, yeah, let's go.
Dozo.
Yeah, okay. But
Most exciting part of the day. Don't fall in. Oh, I missed this one. Look at that. Bigger.
yeah, beautiful. Circle.
Wow. Okay, new koi coming in. AJ, come on. What's that? It's really bad weather, so Brian asked me to hold his umbrella so he can stay dry, and I can stay dry with filming. So Roy, this shop empty?
18。18か。これはスペシャルなんで。Yes. Special. Special price.
Ichiban price. Oh.
はいはいはいはい。
元気ですか？
もうちょっと待って。
あ OK です。
もうすぐ。
Okay. Hey, my friend.
Hey, how are you?
Good to see you again.
Good to see you again.
So what's going on here? Oh, we got fish. Really good.
Oh,
Hey, how are you?
how are you?
Good to see you. Oh, on this side. Look at the bodies, guys, on these 2-year-old cohorts. Isn't that crazy? Look at that.
这个鱼啊，
Very good skin
就是
quality.
我现在观察它这个现在的花纹。
Okay, guys, so checking if they're a male or female. And this is a
Female.
female.
质地跟光下也出来了。
Mizu. And male is Ozu.
Yeah.
Here we go. We teach our viewers Japanese.
Oh. Today come in Japan?
Yesterday.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
yesterday?
yesterday, yes. Tacho. Yeah, he's checking the fins to see if there are any patterns in there. Like, I don't know, you can compare it to sandpaper. And he already sees very quickly that these are female. A lot of people showing up here. We have some, I think, Chinese people. All wanted to buy some of these beautiful koi, right?
Very good.
You like China? Like Dainichi koi?
Yeah, very
Good.
like
Danish koi is my favorite koi.
Really good.
So strong.
就是泡沫有点多，小2岁，这是尺寸。
它加了戒指的围脖。
If he's not sure, he's gonna turn it around like this. And this could be a male, but this is female. I saw that very quickly. Female.
Female.
Yeah. You can see it when the female has a little stripe under there.
一回ストップできる
How
か
you
な
call it in English, but you know how it goes. That's probably a male. So right now, everyone is picking out their favorite, and then we'll see if it's available for sale.